Learn how to design and code high-quality 3D games with Unity, the game engine used by over half of the world's professional games, including lead titles on PCs and Macs, as well as consoles like Sony's PlayStation and Microsoft's Xbox. Campers can choose between two versions of the course, depending on if they want to concentrate more on the artistic design or coding. If you love designing, create your own FPS games from scratch using a toolkit of terrains, textures, characters, AI units, weapons, and more. Learn how to create engaging levels to make a fantastic gaming experience while customizing everything. If you'd prefer to learn how to code as well as creating personalized levels, characters, and gameplay experiences, you'll dive deeper into coding. You'll learn the C# programming language that's used by Unity to completely control every aspect of the game. After finishing your video game camp, take your completed game home as well as the Unity software to continue your adventures in game design. Book today to start your journey in professional game design and to reserve your place.